Hello guys, so I am just here to show you that how Arduino works. This is my Arduino. I purchased it from an online shopping, so this is not a real Arduino that is made from Italy. This is a general Arduino, but it's give you a basic all the feature that basically Arduino works. Okay, so I just show you how it works by making a simple blinking LED program. So for that I just use Arduino board, this USB cable and laptop for providing it the program. I will attach it from USB cable. This is USB cable, this, okay, and here the LED is provided in Arduino board. We didn't need to put LED because you can see this small LED. This will blink after when we upload some program, or we will upload some program. So let's start that.
So now here you can see my screen. In the screen I will just open my Arduino Uno. So this I just double click it and on that Arduino Uno. So now you can see in this screen, this is a program written here already. So in this program we just have to write our blinking program. So this is a program written here already. We are not going to make this typical. We just look through that our blinking program. We will just go to the file, and here you can see examples. In examples we will go, and I already did that program, so this is showing there. So in just example we have to go in there, the basic and the blink. On that blink and your program is opened here. So you just close the older program and this blinking program is in front of us. This is the main our blinking program. The code is already written here. You can see in void setup and void loop. In void setup we set up our LED pin, and void loop we provide the message that what the LED has to do here. Okay, so you can see here digital write and delay, these two things. Digital write just switch on and switch off, these two work it will do, and delay provide the time difference between switch on and switch off. Okay, this 1000, this is a very short time, and you can suppose that we are just using this very short unit for here. Just attach your USB cable to laptop.
So now this blink program, for uploading it into Arduino, you just use this upload and just click on this. As you click it on this button and verify it, now you can see this is blinking. So thank you very much for seeing this video.